20, 21, depending on individual species. And interesting fact about lions is that if you were to see the babies, the lion cubs are born with spots.
Pair, not a pair, sorry, yeah. Just two boys. Okay, so meerkats are groups. Another one that's going to come out, that is Nina. Alright, so these two girls, actually interestingly, out there in the wild, if you do see more than one cheetah, they're all boys. If you happen to see just one cheetah, they're all girls. So these girls, although they don't mind each other, okay. Now the downside to that is they can only run at that speed for maximum. We thought these guys are hyenas, okay, good, thank you. These guys are not hyenas. Hyenas are very closely related to the cat family. These guys are strictly dogs, meaning canines. Alright, in this exhibit we've got 15 dogs, and if you're lucky, you'll actually notice some little ones running out. Alright, we've got a fresh birth, and so these guys will be coming out of the pups anytime soon. And painted dogs are known to be the world's most efficient hunters. Alright, so for example, we've got 15 dogs here. Out in the world, you can see anywhere from 20 to 40 in a pair. And they can easily take down a buffalo, full-grown buffalo, right? So what they're going to do, they are going to form a huge circle around that isolated buffalo. The front half is going to contain the buffalo, the back half is going to continuously just act like they're chasing the buffalo. The buffalo is going to get exhausted, too tired to fight back, but these guys are not, because they are marathon runners. If you look at the body, you'll notice that it's rather long body and skinny legs, up to 6 kilometers. They can just run and run and run. They do not have to stop for any water break, no pit stop, nothing. And that's how they actually exhaust the buffalo, and then they start eating the buffalo alive. Now, although that is pretty much a very savage behavior, these guys are extremely united and bonded with the pack. So what do I mean by this? When they actually kill or once they start eating the food, they'll actually bring back food for the young ones and the old ones back in the den to eat. Right, so that's the thing about them. And not to worry, what we are feeding our carnivores right now, what you just saw us feeding them right now, is just a...
What's speed? 3 minutes, I guess. What's speed?
Asta sunt maraton, deci 40 kg, dar le dă de 2 ori pe săptămână.